Hey, so just before this video starts, I want to say that as I'm uploading this video, I officially have 300 subscribers. 300 subscribers. That's still not a lot for doing YouTube for 4.5 years, but still, 300 subscribers. So I put out a community post that says, what should I do for 300 subscribers? And to help that out, comment down here what I should do for 300 subscribers. Anyways, thank you and enjoy the video. Hello. Pissed. I'm done. This video is a flunk. I'm done. Sorry about that last clip. We are now under a tornado watch. Man, those clouds are moving fast. Yeah, we're under a tornado watch right now. And a severe thunderstorm watch. I don't know about a tornado warning though. Maybe that's next. Or at least a severe thunderstorm warning. And we're also under a flood advisory. So look in their driveway. Hopefully he doesn't notice. It's flooded all up and down there in the road. This area is flooded, not the rest of the sidewalk though. Christina. Screw you. I almost tripped over. I don't know, the rain kind of calmed a bit. There's heavier rain coming. But there's fireflies out, surprisingly. Wow. We'll see what happens, because this is looking sketchy right up here. See what happens. I'm back. That part's here. What? You can't see. It is cold. Look at that. It might look like the black points turned all the way up, but that's how it actually looks. Like your eyes are all scratched up. That's what it looks like. Oh my god. And there's a tornado warning in Kalamazoo. There's a tornado warning in Kalamazoo. So, God. I don't know how much Dad's doing. He's off that way and the rain's getting crazy over there. And I would call him, but apparently you can't even have your phone on in the car anymore. That's the new law here. You can't have your phone on in the car. A passenger, that's fine, but he didn't go with Joe or anybody. Stop! Please, I beg you. Dude, we're flooding. Stop. Chill out a bit. Ridiculous. Man, are you kidding me? Okay, let's calm down a little bit. I could go over here if I wanted to, but it's misty. The porch has water all on it. What? This is a tile from our old house. I know what I could use that for. You find some cool stuff after you clean everything up. Okay, it's chilled out a bit. It's a mere drizzle now. God. It's flooded. The road ain't even a road, it's a river. The neighbor's driveway's a river. God, our sidewalk's a liver. Yeah, a liver, okay. Got windy, too. It's getting windy. Well, it's clearing up a bit. I'll meet you back if there's whatever's happening for the time being. If the video's ending here. Thank you for watching. Ah, man. Little did I know, I was wrong. Okay, guys. I'm back. Ooh, that's gonna be loud. God, I was sitting in the bathroom then. Boom! And my dad's home now, thank God. The tornado warnings are gone. We're under severe thunderstorm warning. And I know I have everything down, like the IRS down. The iris. The brightness, I mean, down. So you can see the lightning. So it's gonna be dark. Sorry. My ears are dead. Oh. Welcome to 2023, people. Yeah! It's here! Wow! Shoot, I'll be right back. I'm back. It's raining so hard you can't really see the lightning, so I just thought I'd do this. God. You can't see. You can see the roof and the light and the glare. That's about it. I stuck my arm out for like 5 seconds and it's already drenched. Oh. Ah. Just got a bug on my elbow. What's up, folks? 2023. Oops. I didn't even know the door was open. That could have been dangerous. Oh, great heavens. Oh, I'll show you. Oh, no. I dropped my camera. Rain's calming. I should probably calm down too. I'm just really happy. This is about how it was earlier. Rain has calmed down now. What does a flash look like in the camera? Whoa. That's what it looks like. I'm saying that's how it looks. Rain in my eyes. The wind's picking up a little bit. What a grand finale. I didn't get much of the storm on camera. That's why it's a shorter video. So this might be the end of the 3-day streak of uploading, because I got a bunch of videos to upload. By a bunch, I mean like 2. Because, well, I finally got my, I got this channel on my new phone, so I can now upload via that phone. And it's way easier than what I had to do for my old phone, because my camera here would not connect to my old phone to like upload videos and stuff. So I'm glad I fixed that. That's how you fix that situation. It's always good. Simmering down now. Whoa. 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 Squat. Recording the sky. What the? Whoa. Oh, it's getting gusty. Getting gusty now. Just saw a big thing. That's a positive. That's gonna sound like a bomb. I bet you. I bet you, bet you, bet you. That was multiple flashes. That wasn't multiple flashes, that was one flash. Well. Alright then. Okay, that must have been really far away, because that took a while to get here. It did sound like a power. It did sound like a positive, though. I only got like 5 positive strikes or thunder sounds on camera in my entire 4.5 years of doing this. And I started out with doing Minecraft stuffed animal stuff, which kind of missed, but I don't have the energy anymore. It's like I drank 5 or 6 bangs before I recorded those videos, I swear. But that's because I was 10 and 11 years old. Now I'm 15. It's gonna be loud. Also, I measured myself a few hours ago, at the time of recording this, and it turns out I was 5'7". I'm 5'7" now. And went to the doctor's office and they said I was 5'7.5", but that's because I had these shoes on. They're Skechers, cheapies, but they work and I like them. I don't want to go out there, man. Either way, that's all the damage right there I'm going to be able to show. All of that. The road's still like a river and stuff. Well, storm's about blown over now. Because the thunder's going away, it's not as loud. It's still bright. The rain's kind of calmed down, so yeah, that's about it. Hey, at least it didn't stop halfway through the storm like it used to about 4 years ago. Stupid 11-year-old self. But hey, got to see most of the storm. Especially after we got back from our seminar about like guns and stuff. Self-defense. Thank you, sir. Holy. God, it got real windy over there. Look, the flag's going crazy a few seconds ago. Why would it be going this way, though? That's weird. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, please. I lost 2 subscribers, even though I don't really care. If they unsubscribe, that just means they're missing out. That was pretty. Anyways, subscribe. It would really help. Like the video. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.